Yes. So this is what happened. Now, Favorin, your what you say, in an action of not doing something of a command of a government is called civil disobedience. Then a revolution starts. Hence, non-violent, it has to be non-violent. Civil disobedience is sometimes equated with peaceful protest or non-violent resistance. Henry David Thoreau popularized the term in the US with his essay Civil Disobedience. Okay. It's coming from a long time ago. And Gandhiji tried to do it. And he did it. Okay. That is what happened. Going against the law. British had this monopoly on salt, and salt is the right of India. It was 10 paisa kilo. I have also bought salt for 10 paisa kilo. It was a march against the British monopoly on salt, his boldest act of civil disobedience yet against British rule in India. Okay. Britain's Salt Acts prohibited Indians from collecting or selling salt, a staple in the Indian diet. Citizens were forced to buy the vital mineral from the British, who, in addition to exercising a monopoly over the manufacture and sale of salt, and they put a heavy tax on it, salt tax. Although India's poor people were already suffered under the tax, Indians required salt. Defying the salt tax, Gandhiji reasoned, would be an ingeniously simple way for many Indians to break a British law non-violently. He declared resistance to British salt policies to be unifying the theme for this new campaign of Satyagraha or mass civil disobedience. On March 12th, Gandhiji set out to Sabarmati with 78 followers on a 240-mile march to the coastal town of Dandi on the Arabian Sea. Now, Gandhiji said that we are going to make salt. How are we going to make salt? We will make it with sweet water. As long as he passed, people gathered with him and he was giving his speeches about the salt satyagraha. More people joined him. By the time he reached Dandi on April 5th or 6th, there were 10,000s of people, tens of thousands. Gandhiji spoke and led prayers, and the early next morning walked down to the sea to make salt. He planned to work the salt flats on the beach and crust it with crystallized sea salt at every high tide. But the police had forestalled him by crushing the salt deposits into the mud. That too, Gandhiji reached down and picked up a small lump of natural salt out of the mud, and the British law had been defied. Thousands of people followed him in the coastal cities of Bombay and Karachi. Indian nationalists led crowds of citizens in making salt. Now, civil disobedience broke all over India. Millions of Indians started it. Britishers arrested round about 60,000 approximately. Arrested people. Gandhiji himself was arrested on May 5th, but Satyagraha continued without him. Sarojini Naidu, if you have heard about her, she led 2500 marches on the Tharasana salt workers, 150 miles north of Bombay. They beat up Sarojini Naidu. This incident was recorded by a journalist, Webb Miller, prompted an international outcry against British policy in India. This is all what happened during that time. So we'll keep it till there. We'll come in the next class and I'll give more explanation to it, and then we'll go to the notes. I'll give you notes and a solved question answer also. But it's going to take time to finish. Like we still have the towards civil disobedience. I was just giving you the explanation. Then the Salt March, I have told you already. The Salt March movement, what actually happened, and actually. I don't go with the book, I just see what is there, and we are going to see how participants saw the movement. Then I'll read through them and we'll come back. So don't worry, we'll do it properly. And then the limits of civil disobedience, and then we have, today the network is very bad, I don't know, I'm not able to. Like I want to see where place does it finish, or which page does it finish, so that I can give you an estimated time, like we can go through it. Anyways, when we come to the next class, I'll make sure that everything is there ready for you, and I'll post the sense of collective belonging. That is a different chapter, I guess. Nationalism of Bal Gangadhar Tilak and Bharat Mata, Abhinandanata Nath Tagore, Jawaharlal Nehru, then Bharat Mata, and then we'll come to the conclusion of it and we'll see what to do with it. So don't worry. Next class we'll get it done with you. So till then, take care of yourselves, be good, be safe, and please respect your parents and love them, and take care of yourselves. God bless. See you soon, and do whatever you want after your studies. Bye bye.